It has been a few crazy weeks at the Trackspeed workshop. A lot of cars, but a lot of Porsches specifically. 992 GT3s and GT3 RSs. The more GT3 RS we've ever seen, all came here. It was for work in the cars, it was for storage, it was for track days, friends coming here to drive. A lot of work in our own Porsches, but also some very cool customer projects. Behind me, I have our GT4 RSs. And if you know the Trackspeed cars, you might notice that we have there the GT4 RS TDS. The GT4 RS platform is the car that we know very well and we love how it drives. And it's a car that we have spent a lot of time trying to improve the handling of the car, because I think the engine is crazy and the sound and the whole stuff is like fantastic, but the handling of the car needs a small improvement. So we have this package that we have done in multiple cars, and we did that package in a very cool car from our friend Jose. He's a guy that we know for many years. He's an ex-992 GT3 owner that he jumped now to the Cayman platform. So we're trying to find like a very cool setup for him. And we started, of course, with our base alignment kit that includes a couple of motorsport parts as well. We're going to jump with Labros in the workshop, and he's going to tell you what we're going to do there.
Behind me you can see one of our beloved cars. This is one of the cars that both me and Kostas enjoy to drive, is a GT4 RS. We had a few of these cars coming in last year for our basic handling package. In front of me you see few of the parts that we are using. This is our basic package. This is mandatory, in our opinion, for every track enthusiast that is using the car properly. Here you can see the top mount, which is a Porsche Motorsport parts. All the parts in front of me are supplied by Porsche, so this ensures quality and longevity of the parts used on the car. We put a lot of time and effort developing these cars, understanding the requirements of each track and being able to provide personalized, tailor-made solutions for each and every customer that goes through the door of our workshop. So stay tuned for more builds like this, or if you own a GT4 RS or a GT4, or you are really interested in this platform, we will be more than happy to share more info and get one kit for your own personal car.
So we just finished the front end of the car, which is very straightforward, since you basically just replace the street part with the motorsport part. There's no modification needed to the chassis. You basically just take one part out, put another one in, which makes it actually easily reversible if you ever want to put back to OEM. Now we move to the rear end of the car, which is basically the same. We just take the OEM part out and replace it with a motorsport part. The good thing about this part is not only it is adjustable, but we also remove the rubber bushing and replace it with Uniball, which removes the deflection when you drive the car on track.
And the car of the moment, the 992 GT3 RS. And we had all kind of colors from boring black and white cars. I don't know if you can call this car boring, but yeah, to very interesting colors like this and crazy interiors like Dusko's crazy white car with gold accents and blue interior. All these kind of crazy cars. People are having a lot of fun speccing their RSs. You are going to see much more about the 992 GT3 RS platform. And we're going to talk about something that should be of interest for every 992 GT3 owner. But that after the clip. So I said that we're going to talk about something that is of interest for any 992 GT3 owner. And as you can clearly see, we have multiple of these cars. We absolutely love the 992 platform. The cars are mega. However, they are not bulletproof. And we are preparing also for this because our plan is to keep supporting these cars for years to come. We absolutely love how the platform works and we think that we have it nailed. However, there is sometimes reliability issues that pop. And our green car that you can clearly see in the video that will follow, it has been our taxi car, so it has been used very hard. It did 20-25 laps in a day, driven by Misa at speed. And we take great pride that we actually deliver always like 100% car. So we basically did exactly that. We refreshed the complete thing, brand new transmission going in. Our guys at the workshop killed it. This is not an easy job, by no means, but our guys absolutely killed it. And if you know the car very well, then you probably have noticed that it has no livery. And that is for a reason, because we are doing some cool things this year. For now, let's go get this car 100%, and we're going to finish this video hopefully driving that car on the Nordschleife and telling you more about our future plans with it. And that is our 992 GT3 with a brand new gearbox. It's working like almost like a fresh car, like a 0-kilometer car. It feels fantastic and it is ready for the next stage. Now, what's the next stage? You might have noticed that it doesn't have a livery, and that is because we are preparing for a new taxi lab year. We have some very cool upgrades. We want to extract basically GT3 RS performance out of a base GT3. So as I said, I believe the 992 platform is going to be very popular in the coming years, and we're going to create a TDS package. The same thing that we have for our GT7 M2, the same thing we have for the GT4 RS, basically the same thing we will do for this car. So stay tuned in the coming weeks. We're talking about aero, suspension, a cool wheel and tire package. This car is going to get spicy, so watch this space. Subscribe in the channel and make sure that you follow us on social media for more updates. And don't forget that you can actually come and drive these cars. So either you visit us with your own car and we help you in our workshop, or you come drive one of these cars. We are your guys.